The Man Who Disappeared at Midnight. True crime and mystery learn English through real stories. Episode 1. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share a true mystery with you. It is not just for entertainment. It is also for your English listening practice. This story is called The Man Who Disappeared at Midnight. Listen carefully. Some sentences may be new to you. That is okay. Just relax and enjoy the story. Let's begin. It was a cold night in November. The small town of Ashford was quiet. Most people were already asleep. A man named Daniel Hayes worked at the local gas station. He was 34 years old. He was known as a quiet, honest man. Every night, Daniel closed the station at exactly midnight. He always followed the same routine. Lock the door, turn off the lights, walk home. But on this night, something was different. At 11:58 p.m., a security camera recorded Daniel locking the front door. He looked normal. He looked calm. 2 minutes later, at 12 a.m., the camera recorded something strange. Daniel was gone. He did not walk home. He did not drive away. He simply disappeared. The next morning, Daniel's wife called the police. She said, "My husband did not come home last night. This has never happened before." The police searched the gas station. They found his car in the parking lot. His phone was still inside. His wallet was still inside. But Daniel Hayes was nowhere to be found. Detective Laura Simmons was assigned to the case. She was known for solving difficult mysteries. She watched the security footage many times. She noticed something unusual. In the video, right before Daniel disappeared, a shadow moved across the wall. It was quick. It was strange. It did not look like a normal shadow. Detective Simmons asked herself a question. What if someone was waiting for him? She interviewed Daniel's co-workers. One of them said, "Daniel seemed nervous the last few weeks. He kept looking over his shoulder. He said someone was following him." Another co-worker said, "He told me he found something strange in the station's old records, something about the previous owner." This information changed everything. Detective Simmons decided to check the station's history. She discovered the gas station had a previous owner named Robert Klein. Robert disappeared 10 years earlier, in the exact same way, same time, same location, same mystery. Was this a coincidence? Or was something bigger happening in this small town? The town's oldest resident, an elderly woman named Mrs. Whitfield, remembered the story of Robert Klein. She said, "Many years ago, people believed something was hidden beneath that gas station, an old tunnel. Some said it was used a long time ago, during difficult times in this town's history." Detective Simmons decided to investigate. She and her team searched beneath the station. After hours of searching, they found something unexpected. A hidden door. Old. Rusted. Forgotten. Behind the door was a narrow tunnel. It was dark and silent. Inside, they found old newspapers, dusty tools, and strange markings on the walls. But they didn't find Daniel Hayes. To this day, no one knows what truly happened to him. Some believe he found something dangerous and ran away to protect himself. Others believe someone took him because of what he discovered. The case remains unsolved. Vocabulary you learned today. Disappeared. To suddenly stop being seen. Routine. Something you do the same way every time. Assigned. Given a specific job or task. Coincidence. Two things happening together by chance. Unsolved. A problem or mystery, with no answer yet. Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, follow our channel for more true mysteries and improve your English one story at a time. See you in the next episode.